This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Hamp Wilson. Lake House, open house Saturday, July 8 from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. One-level home, popular Cooper Madrid floor plan on Lake Coronado. New back deck built 2023 for enjoying the beautiful lake view. Covered dock on the lake. There is a large heated/cooled room below that could be storage, finished off as a man cave, she shed or a separate apartment. This large lot has common property on the right ensuring continued privacy. There is no seller's disclosure for this home and is being sold as is. There is a current inspection located in documents for this listing and a printed copy at the house. There is a $1,500 house vow buy-in fee collected at closing for first-time buyers in Hot Springs Village. For more information